Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see who viewed your TikTok profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to see who viewed your TikTok profile, first open up your TikTok app, and after opening your TikTok app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile icon available for us at the bottom right. Tap on your profile icon. And over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the two footprints icon just beside the tree lined icon. Tap on that footprint icon. And over here guys, you can see your profile views will be available over here, and your says profile view history will appear here. Only you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And with that being done guys, if you have turned off your profile views, at the top right corner of the screen you can see how to enable the profile view history over here. You will be required to enable it, and then all of your profile views will be available on over here on this interface. And with that being said guys, this is how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.